This is what happens when your snake wants to come out and you're busy and you can't let him out. Chew. Chew. People think snakes are dumb. My snakes know if they mess their house up, I'll let them out. Because they like to come out all the time. Now, he's been out 5 evenings in a row. And this is what I woke up to this morning. He's upset because I wouldn't take him out because I slept in for a change. And this is what I get. Oh, my gosh. This is what he did to his house because he wanted to come out. And I was sleeping this morning. You think they're dumb? They're not dumb at all. They know how to get their way. Are you proud? You tore up your house, you wackadoo. This is what you get when you got spoiled, rotten snakes and they can't get their way. They know how to get your attention. Not yet. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Move it on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Attaboy. I don't force my snakes out. I let them come out on their own. All I do is open the door and they'll come out. If they want to come out. If they don't, they'll look around and go back in. But he obviously wanted to come out. Look what he did to his house. Yeah, I'm short-winded. I haven't been up very long. I bought these 2 new little ceramic heaters for the house for the snakes off Amazon. They were only $29 each. I thought, well, they can't be that great for 29 bucks. I read the reviews. The reviews on them were all good. Let me tell you what, I woke up this morning, it was 79 degrees in here. And I had one of those little teeny box ceramic heaters on, set on the lowest possible setting without shutting the heater off. And I'm like, holy Christ, these little guys are awesome. For $29, one will heat you right out of your house. So yeah, I'm not worried about winter time with the snakes this year. Finish going. You're moving slow, but you're moving. Come on. You can do it. Bring your butt out. Let's go. Come on. Just the tail end's still in there, silly. There. All better? You got out. You totaled your house just to get my attention to let you out. Look at that. You're a character. Yes, you are. You're a character. My cats are over there sitting in cardboard boxes. Anytime I get a box in from Amazon, they want to stay in it for a couple of days. So I cut the flaps off or fold them in and give them to my cats. And that's where they'll sit. They'll come out to eat and use a litter box, and that's it. So, yeah. You know, I've spent a fortune in the old days with snakes, buying nice hides and all that stuff. The happiest they ever are is in a dumb cardboard box. So, snakes don't understand expensive. I don't think cats and dogs really distinguish between cheap and expensive either. So, it doesn't matter how much you spend on something. All that matters is what they think of it, obviously. But these 2 cats over there in those Amazon cardboard boxes, they'll be there all day except to come out and hang out with me in the front room on the daybed, or to get out to eat or use a litter box. That's a new thing they've had for the past 3 weeks. I don't know what it is, but they have a thing for empty Amazon cardboard boxes. I see what the deal is. You didn't total your house because you wanted to come out specifically. You totaled your house so you could come out and visit Jasmine. Aren't you a piece of work? You made that mess, so I'd take you out so you could come see your girlfriend. I'll be dang. Yeah, they're dumb, all right. Not. You happy now? You over here by your girlfriend? Let me pull the curtain back so the sun will hit you. You can take a sun bath while you're in here. Okay, that's the room to the snake door. It goes outdoors by the snake door. There. You can tell I haven't had my coffee yet. That right there is the door that goes outside from the snake room, the new snake room. But yeah. That's all you wanted? You wanted to come out. You messed your house up so you get my attention, so I'd let you out. And you wanted to come see your girlfriend. What a piece of work. So yeah, we're very entertaining. If you notice us, give us your attention, spend some time with us out of our enclosures, you'll see how entertaining we really are. Yeah. Chewy wanted to come out and visit Jasmine, his girlfriend. She's over here in the window basking in the sun because she's getting ready to shed. Yeah, you used me. You played me for a sucker. You messed your house up so I'd take you out so you could come see your girlfriend. What a piece of work you are. I'm telling you. All that. Just so you could come say good morning to Jasmine. And she's not paying you any attention, Chew. She's getting ready to shed. Oh my gosh. Never cease to amaze me. This is a morning thing now. He wants to do it every morning. He's just like evenings. He's got to come out and be in this plastic tote on the daybed beside me. Now it's a new morning thing with him. He's got to come out, get in this tote on my daybed out of his enclosure over there, and come visit Jasmine every morning. It's a routine with him now. So they have routines. They have their own established schedules, but I think that's based on what we allow them to do. So he has to come out and see Jasmine every morning now after I let him out of his enclosure. It's a ritual now. It has been for over a week. Every evening he's got to come out and hang out with me over here on the daybed, and every morning he's got to come out and check on his girlfriend, Jasmine. Nah, they don't have feelings. They don't have emotions. People are so full of crap. Hey. Hey, honey. You happy? You happy? It worked again. It always works with me. You know how to get my attention, don't you? Yeah. You happy now? Yeah. I'm happy now. I'm not eating. There's no food for you to get into. And yes, I got vanilla creamer in my coffee over here, and you're not getting into that either. Piece of work. Boy, does he make a good spokesman for all snakes. People expect so many bad things from him and negative things about him. He's a perfect ambassador to prove people wrong. All of my snakes are really, they're all very friendly and social. So he'll be hanging out here in the plastic tote so he can come up when he wants to and hang out on the edge and watch television while I go about cleaning up his enclosure and doing my daily routines. And he goes nowhere. No top on it. He's happy here. That's what he does. He's so consistent and predictable, it's creepy. You happy now? Oh my gosh. You guys are incredible. People think you're dumb and you don't have feelings, you don't have emotions. You're stupid slugs of flesh. People are idiots. That's all I gotta say.